welcome to another video. So this is my DJI Mavic Mini. Alright, so it's sitting on its beautiful stand. I purchased the Costco bundle. This is how it looks inside its case. Beautiful capsule. So this is the extra battery that the Costco bundle comes with. I'm able to just put it in the back of the case here so you can't really see it. The original battery is already installed. This is a MagSafe, or I'm not sure what the official term is, but magnetic USB, micro USB charging port. So actually it does come off, but to make it convenient, they made it MagSafe, so you can actually just leave it plugged in. If you pull it up, it comes out. So as you can see, it came out and you leave it behind. But for convenience sake, if you want to just leave it in the drone, that's okay too. So you just bend it backwards like this and it comes off with the drone. And now you can just leave it in, fly your drone and go about your happy way. When you come back, you just pop it back. You just pop it back on. And you don't have to worry about lining it up. So that's sort of the charging case or charging base for this drone. I like to keep the MagSafe in the drone for my flying purposes. So there are other bundles out there, the Fly More bundle by DJI, which gives you a carrying case as well as a third battery. So the original, just the drone, comes with a single battery. If you buy the Costco bundle, it comes with one extra battery, so two batteries, as well as this charging base. And if you buy the Fly More combo, it comes with 3 batteries as well as a carrying case. Now, the Costco bundle doesn't come with a carrying case. Instead, it gives you that beautiful charging base. I actually do not think that the charging base will be that useful, but now that I realize that it has this magnetic micro USB, it's much more useful than it would have been initially. The Fly More combo comes with a sequential charger as well, so you can charge all 3 batteries in the same charger, but it does it one at a time, so it's sequential. That being said, it's convenient in that you don't have to swap out the batteries to charge here. In this case, with the charging base, once the one battery in here is done charging, you do have to exchange the 2 batteries for the second battery to charge. So obviously it's not as convenient. That being said, the Fly More combo is a $100 more than just the drone alone. This Costco bundle actually is $40 cheaper, or I think $30 cheaper than the original drone price, but it gives you an extra battery and a charging base. So if you want to save some money and you were planning to buy just the original drone, it might be worth it for you to get a Costco membership and just get the Costco bundle. This extra battery alone, if you were to buy it off of DJI, is $45, and the charging base, while you don't need it, is worth some money. I have a if you go back and look at my videos, my very first video was a unboxing and review of these Vipex noise cancelling headphones. So I have that case and I measured it out from the outside and perfectly fits all this stuff. So I'm going to use this as my carrying case. So it fits my extra batteries, my drone, and my controller. we go. So if you have some noise canceling headphones that you got a carrying case for, or if you have a camera that you ended up getting a carrying case for but wanted to get a but you don't use it, then you can perhaps use it to carry your drone. You do want something that doesn't throw the drone around, because of course, you know, it does have a lot of moving parts and you don't want them damaged. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the drone and show you what it looks like. So that's the controller, it's the drone. The extra battery, we can put it away for later. I'm gonna go ahead and fly the drone once I'm done showing you what the equipment looks like. So these are the antenna that come out. The antenna are important in this drone, unlike some of the cheaper drones where the antenna on the remote are just for show. These are actual real antenna, and you would need to position them appropriately to get the maximum range. So this is the cell phone holder portion. You plug in your phone here. It comes with 3 different cables, a micro USB, a USB-C, as well as a lightning cable. I have an iPhone, so I'm going to use the lightning cable here. It plugs in here and goes nicely under the arm here and fits snugly here. On the back, you just have some information. On the top here, you have a video record button, a camera angle control button, as well as a take a picture button. This is a return home button, a power button. There's 2 joysticks that come in here that are removable in an effort to reduce the size of this remote control. And they just screw in just like that. Here's the drone. So very small profile. This is the gimbal control cap of the camera so that it's not moving around during transport. We'll pop it up right there. So it has 4 arms, as you can see. The first thing you're going to do is pop out the ones that swivel out. So just like that. And here's the second one. And pops out just like that. And then the other ones are just sort of, they swing out just like that. I'm trying to focus here. There we go. And it's just like that. So this is the beautiful drone. This is how big it looks. This is the micro SD port here. I already have it in place. And as you can see, this is a brushless motor. Beautiful drone. So I haven't actually damaged the propellers yet. I am a beginner flyer. I flew this around probably for at least a couple of hours for the first week I got it. For the last 2 weeks I haven't had a chance to fly it at all, which is a shame, but I will get to fly it today. Here's the gimbal. I'll go ahead and show you the gimbal. It's a really good gimbal, and that's what makes the DJI drones better than other drones. As you can see, it has pretty good resistance. It's a 3-axis gimbal. And that is it for the body of the device, as well as there's the battery. Yep, that is it for the body and the Costco bundle review. I'm gonna go ahead and fly it around and show you a review of how easy it is to fly this device.